Good morning reception and welcome to your maths today. So first of all we're going to do a warm-up to get our maths brains working, and then we're going to work on looking at the different ways of making up numbers up to 5 again today. Okay, so let's get started. Miss O'Kane will do an action and you need to count how many times I do it. Okay, so let's start with some claps. How many claps am I going to do? You need to count. Ready? How many was that? Did you count? If you said 5, you are right. Well done. Now I'm going to do some pats on my head, so you need to count carefully. Are you ready? How many pats on my head did I do? If you said 6, you are right. Now I'm going to do some jumping, I think. Okay, so can you count carefully? Ready? How many jumps? How many jumps did I do? If you said 4, you are right. Well done. Now I'm going to hand it over to you. I want you to do some actions now. Can you do, let's see, can you do 3 claps? Well done. Can you do, I'm going to make it trickier for you. Can you do 7 jumps? Fantastic. Now, can you shrug your shoulders? Can you do that? Can you do that 4 times for me? Well done. Good counting, children. Right, I hope that your math brains are warmed up. I bet your bodies are. I bet your heart's beating really fast from all that jumping and that clapping. Right, I'm going to spin you around so that you can see the whiteboard. Now this activity, once we have done it on the board, you can go and find yourself 2 plates and have a go at this at home. Okay, so for now, I'm going to draw my 2 plates on the board. So I've got 2 plates, 1 and 2, okay? And I'm going to count out, can you tell me how many counters I'm going to count out? Ready? Well done, I have 5 counters, don't I? I've got 3 at the top and 2 at the bottom to make 5. Or if you're looking at it a different way, I've got 1 and then I have 2 and 2. That makes 5 as well, doesn't it? Right, I've got 5 counters and I'm going to look at the different ways I can share my counters out, how many different ways I can split up my 5, okay? So I could put how many in this one? I could put 2 in there, and I could put, how many would go in here then? 1, 2, 3. Well done. And you know, children, I could write a number sentence to go with this. I could write, I have 2 in there, 2, and, so I've got some more, add those 3. Can you see I've got 3? And then how many all together equals means all together equals, and how many have I got all together? 5. Well done. So I've got 2, add 3 equals 5 all together. Well done. So that's one way I could split up 5. Let's see if I could do it a different way. If I take them out again, If I could do it a different way, I could put 1 in here, and then I could put, how many more would go in here? If I've got 1 over here, how many would I have in over here on this plate? 1, 2, 3, 4. I could do 1 over here in this plate, 1 and 4. Can you write the number sentence to go with this? 1 in this plate, add 4. How many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 all together. And that's my number sentence. 1 and 4 make 5 all together. Can you tell me which one has got more? Has this one got more? Or has this one got more? Yes, 4. That one has more because there's more counters. And then this one must be fewer. More and fewer. Well done. If this was your plate and this was my plate, would you be happy? Is it fair? It's not fair, is it? How could we make it fair so they have the same? Yes, we could give this plate some more, couldn't we? Is it fair now? It's not fair because this plate still has more, hasn't it? This plate still has more. So to make it fair, we could take this one away. Is it fair now? We've got how many over here? We have 2 and we have 2. So it's fair, isn't it? Yes. But then if we add 1 more, it's not going to be fair. It's not going to be the same. Well done. Right then, let's have a look at a different way. Maybe we could have an extra plate. How many different ways can we make 5 then? Shall we have a look? We've got the 5 down here. Can you see? We've got 5 down here. How many different ways can we make 5? You can have a go at this at home, children. You can collect 2 or 3 plates, collect some counters or things to count with, like buttons or cars, anything you like, biscuits, and then you can have a play around, investigate all the different ways of splitting up the numbers and making the numbers, okay? So, got 3 plates and 5 counters. I could put how many? 1 over here. How many in this one? 1. I could put 2 over here, and that means I've got 2 for this one, haven't I? 1 and 2 and 2 make 5. Well done. See if you can have a go at home. You could maybe use 3 counters and only 2 plates. And look at how you can, the different ways of making up 3 and the different ways of making up 2. Okay, so have a play around, have an investigate and explore the numbers and the different ways of making the numbers. So if I have 3 counters, I could make up 3 by putting 2 over here and 1 over here. Well done. So you can do that at home and take some photos and put them on tapestry so that we can see. Good work today, children, and I'll see you soon.